Hello, today I'm going to show you on how to do the peacock pendant. First, let's see the materials required. I've taken 3 sizes of flower cutters, 2 round cutters in the decreasing sizes. Now I'm going to use some basic tools. I always make sure that I use very basic tools, and with whatever is available I make sure that I use those things. These are some of the tools. This is a nichrome wire and pliers. These are very important, and you can also watch my previous videos on the basic materials required. Now roll out the clay onto the thickness what I have mentioned in the previous one. I'll cut a round flower shaped one, and now remove the extra clay. And now let's start giving the impressions on these things. Now I'll take this the next size and give a small impression kind of a thing onto it. The next size I'll make sure that it comes in that decreasing order. You can see that I've given some gap between each impression so that we can do some designs. Now I'm using the round cutter, round one. Now the next round I'm going to use, these are all the simple ones which are available at home. You can make use of these things and give impressions. Now this is the smallest round. So now this completes, and make sure that the distance is equal. Now cut it into half and give a straight line impression to the outer line. I have a design in mind and I'm going to do accordingly. Now this is a refill which I have made it into a teardrop shape, and I'm going to give the impression with it. And I'm going to draw 2 lines in between each two teardrops. Now you can see the impressions clearly. Now let's go to the next impression one, which I have done it as a flower petal shape. You can make out when I put the impression. Now I'll put a small line between those petal shapes, so it gives a good look. Now I'm going to put a small round at equal distance. Now a bigger circle to the smaller circle one. Now this is another design which I have put. Now this completes the feather design. Now to make the body of peacock, I have done a teardrop shape terracotta one and given a U shape design onto it. This is the beak and the head of peacock. You need to make a eye impression onto it. Now take a U tool and make an eye impression like this. This makes it an eye. Now the body of the peacock and eye is ready, and we need 3 stick beads. See, this is how I'm going to stick it onto the feather, and apply some clay paste onto the body of the feathers of the peacock. Now onto the body of the peacock also make some impressions kind of a thing so that it sticks properly, and apply that clay paste and stick it onto the feathers. You can see it sticks easily. You do not need any glue or anything. This is one advantage in terracotta clay. If there's any alignment problem, please adjust it at this point so that once it dries you cannot do anything. Now to stick to the head, apply the same clay paste. Clay paste is nothing but the clay and the water. You need to make it to the glue consistency. Now apply it to the feather also. Now stick it onto it. Now our peacock is ready with the body, feather, face, beak and feathers. Now to make the crown of the peacock, take 3 stick beads. See, now it's looking so beautiful. Take 3 stick beads and put it onto the head of the peacock. Make sure it comes in a triangular shape so it looks very beautiful. See, you can see I've put all the 3 beads. It looks very beautiful. Make sure it's aligned properly, at the distance also is equal. It looks very beautiful when it dries. Now our peacock is ready. Now what we need to do is add some beauty. That is, I'm going to add some dangling beads. I have taken 6 dangling beads and start adding it. Here to the body of the peacock I've planned to put a metal bead, so I'm going to put a U hook. Make sure that it is put before it's drying, otherwise you cannot add the metal beads or anything. Now to put the dangling beads, I've already shown it in my previous videos on how to put it. I'll start putting it. You can make out, interlock both the U hooks and just put it onto the clay. I try to use the pliers so that it's easier and the nail impression or the hand impression doesn't come. I'm putting 3 beads onto this side and 3 beads onto that side. Now the peacock pendant is ready, but do not forget to put the U hook to make it into a necklace. Beautiful necklace, it comes out very beautiful. The next video I'm going to show you on how to paint and finish it into the beautiful necklace. I'll also show how to make the jhumkas for this. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.